You get 3 stars. You get 3 stars. We're all getting 3 stars. It's time to talk about centrality bias and how it's affecting our company's performance data. Does this sound familiar? A manager hands in their performance evaluations and you notice that almost everyone on their team scored in the middle of this scale. So on a scale of 1 to 5, most people were receiving a 3. Some managers just don't like to be extreme. They're simply more comfortable being moderate in their reviews. But this doesn't help us collect objective data. If this is happening at your company, here's one really easy way to limit its effects. Simply remove the neutral option from our rating scale. So instead of a scale of 1 to 5, make it a scale of 1 to 4. This way our managers won't have the option to give everyone a middle-of-the-road score. Want to run more objective evaluations? Culture Amp can help you reduce bias and run fair performance reviews. Create evaluation templates to ensure consistency across your organization. You can customize your templates to fit the needs of different teams. See how else Culture Amp can help you build a high-performance work culture, from continuous feedback to goal tracking and much more. Visit the link in the description to watch the video.